So I suspect scammers are defaming me. How I'll tell you, even if I work honestly, scammers will defame me. What they are doing, they want to show to the world that they are the better artist. Give them the award first. They are the better artist than me because I'll give you the reason. The Bridget Nielsen thing, when I downloaded the picture, see, I keep on downloading actresses, actors, images, and after the moment I one by one, I what do you call it? I keep on sketching, painting. I'm basically sketching. So when I download anything, the data goes here and there. So they must have hired an artist and they want to prove that they are a better artist and they want to defame me. But when did I download that picture? And how did that happen? So they will also draw the same thing and they want to defame me, right? And they want to also show that they are the better artist, right? But I don't stay on one subject. I keep on making. But whatever I work, they want to work on same thing and they want to, what do you call it? If they are making it, working on it, it's okay. But if they are defaming me, what nonsense is this? And in the morning, I gave the Conan the Barbarian and the that details wrong first. Then I deleted that part, and then I gave the after rechecking it, Red Sonja, and so that suspect must have copied me too. Conan the Barbarian. So Conan the Barbarian, by mistake, I give that details that I thought Red Sonja is released first, made first, but no, Conan the Barbarian 1982. Then 84 Destroyer, Conan the Destroyer, then it's Red Sonja. Same texture movie. So I thought of like uh, Red Sonja. So they must have copied that information too. I feel so. I think so. So today when I gave details about the witness and the prosecution, why didn't they do it? Because I didn't download yesterday. I downloaded it today while before making. So I wanted to play this trick. I downloaded few images. Sharon Stone also I downloaded, but I haven't made her yet because I'll wait. What do you call it? I was trying some X-Men that Emma Frost, and it was a failure. So I one more page got damaged. So this is a part of the game. One by one you make. You cannot make everyone at one single time.